So we're going to do the anterior lateral neck flexors test. So this is done to assess the SCM and the scaling muscles. So a lot of people who are, who have whiplash or have been in car accidents, they will have issues with these muscles. In fact, they will oftentimes have spasms in their SCM. So with these clients, even when they would lift up their head, could you lift up your head just a little bit? When they try to hold it, you'll see there'll be it will look like this almost. The SCM will spasm. Similar to what can happen with this test, with the anterior lateral test. So we'll have the test going like this. Oh, your pecs are tight.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. And then we'll have them go one way. I mean, you can stabilize the shoulder if you like when you're doing this test. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, sure.
But you don't, some people choose not to, so it's up to you. What you want to do is get them to lift up their head and hold like this. If they can hold their head like that, that's level 3 for strength test. If they're wobbling like this and they have difficulty, that could be probably level 2. If they can't even lift up their head, but there's some engagement in the SCM, that would be level 1. If they can't engage anything, that would be level 0. We want to get up to level 4. Level 4 is done by them holding up like this, and then you putting your hand right here, using probably only about 10 pounds of pressure, maybe even less, and see if they can hold it. Brandon can hold it, therefore he is negative. If he couldn't hold it and I were to bring his head down to the table, then he would, he tests positive for that test. Now let's do the one for the posterior lateral neck muscles. So okay, if I get your face down and just your head to the side.
Which way? Which way?
Either way. Posterior lateral neck flexor. So it's the same exact idea, guys. So basically, if he can lift up his head like this, actually put it down. I mean, you probably want your arms to the side like this, actually.
Oh, okay, sure.
So lift up his head like this. If he can hold that would be a level 3. So, and then if he can hold it while me applying about 10 pounds worth of pressure, that's a level 4 strength test. That would be a negative finding. That means there's no issues in there. There's no muscle spasms. There's no weakness, etc., etc. Therefore, Brandon has tested negative for both sides. However, you want to check both sides. So in other words, yeah, you do this side as well. And that's it. That's the anterior and the posterior.